sparring versus hindi ko kilala. Tap. Nakita? Pasok, out daw, out. Three one. Hold this one nga. Video din. Shutter daw, shutter. Hold it.
Forward.
4-3. 9-3-4.
All four.
No, 5-3.
6-3. Seven,
7-3. Wala ka kapon. Mulan. 7-3.
3. Ako na mag-score na.
Out.
Ako na mag-score.
8-3.
Ako na
Sige. Ikaw na mag-score.
8-3.
9-3.
3.
Three. Three. Anong play ka dyan? Parang umpire ka ah.
Score?
5-12. Clear. Relax. 13-7. Pause, pause. 14.
14. 7. 8. 14.
Fifteen eight, I want. No, hold it. Hold it, what's it?
Two. Lab.
2-0.
One. Two. Three.
Ano?
One.
1.
Up. Two.
No.
Three. In or out? On.
Natakot, coach.
Three.
Relax.
Play.
Oh. Wala lahat.
Out, Daddy?
Ito na, don't score na. Kaya. Ah. Oh, you're watching. I don't know. Kaya kulang. Clear. Diyan lang oh. Hindi umabot. Oh. Pabutin na dito. Relax. Ano lang oh. Relax. Ano yan? The score. Nice score. Score? Ha? Ay, score? Huwag ka matakot. Huwag ka manervyos. Nilalaban mo yung Pangasinan to kahapon eh. Ay, Pangasinan 1. Focus. Oh. Focus lang, kaya man. Relax. Russell. Takren. Timing. Oh. Nagmadali ka doon, tagal-tagal. Nice. Oh, tak. Ah. Okay. Gawang. Bakulit. Okay. Bulok ka tita. Second. Laro ni Aya. Laro ni Coach. Estudyante na ni Aya. Lang. Ay. Like that. Ah. Oh, Aya. Oh, nice.
Score.
I think 4-1. The other one. Balik agad.
Parang alak ko.
Out. Out. Go, Aya. Stop. Timing. Time. Oh, mali daw yung ano mo, form. Baguhin mo. Turuan mo nga siya. Di pa siya marunong sa footstep. Focus, Aya, relax. Russell. Mali na. Ah, yung sa'yo maliit.
Malaki siya.
Dito turuan mo siya ng footstep. Matigas ang ulo niya sa footstep eh. Di pa. Relax, Aya, Russell lang. Stiff siya, tigas ng katawan niya. Palaban agad eh. Change court. Focus. Lang. Nice. Nice shot. Nice D. Out.
Sayang.
Mali ang ano, pumapasok. Dati na lamang score. Out. Oh. Out. Doon. Kakakewin. Nice.
Ay.
First time pumasok, overhead mo. Ah, panalo na? You won? Ah, I won. Coach versus R1. Go right. Nilipat? Oo nga. Yun ang masarap.
Sana alam naman dito.
Ganun lang na. Yung may defense ni coach. Yung mga smasher. Oh. Hindi na tumatalon si coach, ha? Sa lakas. Footwork, tignan mo. Clear na ni coach yan. Oh, mas pa. Sarap nun. Ito lang, pang para hindi magasgas. Smash. Out. Nilipad, may pakpak. Hanggang ano oras ko? ka pag ganon? Ah. Nung R1, anong ano si Joward? Yung sa...
Second siguro. Ayaw ko. Second.
Oo.
Boys. Second single.
Eh di ba nag ano, sinong champion nun? Anong
No.
R1? Sa Sampernan ay sa Naknotan.
Yung sa high school na
Oo.
lalaki. Ito ko siya.
Pang ilan siya?
Hindi ko siya.
Ah. Si Phoenix naka bronze siya, di ba?
Ay, hindi. Sa ano, sa... Wala. Parang gusto ko tayo. Ayaw ko yung ayaw ko yung mga plastic. Iba mag-asik yung iba. Yung iba nga.
Sarap yun na. Alam niya kung ang kaya. At na.
Yung ano yung naka-first ano yung sa first series manalo pa dito.
Hello. May ilay. Hindi manalo yung sudyad, buwanta. Ang sawa may nanay ito.
Ilang oras na so. Ay, buti bunso, di ba? Yun. Kailangan sumama.
May tutusap. Kawalurang tawot para man sa ito.
Ah,
Tarto, si Enzo at saka si Karen
so
na.
pila mo rin siya tal.
Ang kaya kulay drop na siya.
Ah, yan na. Oh,
Yung rapper si Kasawan, small step. Kapag ito may natinda yung karoon ng kuno, may 2 to 3 steps. So, tira to may yung karoon ng yung simbaga to may mag-ipot yun.
Karen.
Ito yung arrow to ako. Aya, ila, hello, kataya. Oh, man.
Perfect.
Go Karen! Out, in. Kaya bantayan niya na yung drop mo. Daming error aya. Mga simpleng tira. Nice! Galing! Lalim mo na. Out.
boss eh. Napaka-reserve. Sige na ba?
Out. Labaya. Nga po yung luloob yakin to. Wala po na naman. Nga po yung luloob yakin to yung man. Score. I score 8-5. Oh, may pagkakataon ka ba?
Layo pa. 15.
Sakit na? Walang sakit-sakit.
Yan.
Ah. Maon, malalim. 6-8.
Ang hirap kumabo ng score.
Babagak kailangan mo ko sa may self, sayang.
Lapitan mo na! Pag nakita mong nabiti, lapitan mo na!
Tignan mo yung galaw ng kalaban, makikita mo naman eh. Pag nag-mature ka, kita mo na yon. Dali na nangyaraman na ako.
Si kami nasi.
May galaw laban na, nabitin.
Pag makakapero, yung papawa niya, kapag talaga, salamat mo. Sa
Naman,
taas.
ganun tuman niya lang.
Hindi siya pag ganito, oh. Hindi siya pag ganito, pag ganun.
Yun, Aya, pataas, laging ganon. Ana, talo ka talaga, di mo talaga maano yung level ni Karen.
Ayaw pa yan. Kami ni Jewel kanina,
Kahabol.
relax. Forward. Yan. Wag kang i-step. Steady ka tapos dinrap niya. Kunin mo, wag kang i-step patalikod.
Pag dinrap mo nga, sa harap
Pag
ka.
ng talikod tapos dinrap niya, yung layo mo. Pag ano mo, steady. Huwag ka munang gagalaw. Oh, sarap iba yun. Hang! Wala nga, walang mapawa eh. Dapat, boom, ba't mo?
Come on.
Nakita niya, may alumok niya eh.
Lamak ni coach.
Nung nasanay ito, ayaw ko pare, isubusubog niya.
Mara to play clear to eh. Sa bila di man eh. Out. Habol pa.
Where's, ano?
Oh, hi.
Yung ano? Yung China?
Where did you go?
Huh?
China? You went home?
Anthony ba?
Ah.
Yeah.
Sa classmate ko mo yan. Magka-classmate yan. Jillian, Peyton, Kato, and Enzo.
May tournament dito?
Ah, you want to queue?
Tournament or queuing?
Queue
Sparring.
sparring. Enzo's training to Coach Jong. He's the trainer, not Coach Robert.
Sa linggo yan or?
Here.
Every
Dan?
Kato.
Saan? Saan?
Oh, Gatorade.
Change court, 11 din ha.
Double. Enzo and Karen.
Ay, wala. Enzo, kung saan ka tumira, doon ka atras pag doubles.
Ito na ang tararatang coach. Quarter. O ayan, galaw-galaw.
So, mabilis siya pag doubles. O, dyan ka atras!
Ayan, mali atras mo daw. Ito na yan ka. Kung saan ka tumira, doon ka atras. Oh, you tell coach na.
One.
Ka-enroll ko na kinangkin.
I just watched.
You try coach Jong also. Ha?
Anthony said he's not gonna play anymore.
Why?
I don't know.
Baka jogging.
You want to try Enzo? One game, 15 only. Ah,
Huh?
you miss each other 2 months, 1 month.
1 month.
Oh, 1 month. You did not see.
15 is that? 15?
Singles
15,
15. Doubles
1 to 15. 1 to 15. You join Coach Jong's tournament on June 21, and so will join.
June 21.
Yeah, under 14 and under 16.
Yeah, kanina already know. I'm gonna ask my mom. Yeah.
Yeah, tell your mom and so will join.
Mabilis yan, kala nyo ha?
Where's Anthony? He's in China?
Yeah.
Ah,
Kailan balik niya?
when he's coming back?
Next month.
Next month. May si Anthony, kaklase ko yan. Grade 4, pero matakil naman.
Anong matitrending na si Robot ulag niya? Between you.
Between. Pero ang nangyari di si Iman kasi 15 years old to la, pang high school la. Pero kaklase to. Ang transfer man nila na po China eh.
Wala na yung footwork ni Enzo. Yin!
Oh, ayan, wala ka daw footwork, sabi ni Benny, oh.
What happened?
You have to face him. So you can try his footwork.
No.
Ha?
Nah. This is like,
Yeah, he needs to improve his footwork.
before it's better and now it's like,
Yeah.
no more.
Coach Jong will fix his footwork.
I'm just gonna play but wrong doing what not doing.
Yeah. Should try his training too. So you will learn other different techniques.
Yeah, if Anthony is there, I'll try it.
Ah, Enzo's here.
Yeah.
After you finish, maybe in school, pero in school days, it's night time, you cannot go.
Diyan, in court ha? Napaspas na kayo mo.
I'm lazy to jogging.
You should jog. You should,
I can play yesterday.
So, mali yung...
Masih correct your coach no Ken.
Ay, masuk ko sa laso siya mo nito. So,
Ginawa mi man na may 500 ang may shadow ya smash.
okay man eh. May perfect siya na shadow.
Bangga po. Shadow labat.
I think Enzo don't know how to play that one.
Yan. His second time playing double. That girl is good. And second win. Second win to her. That one. She's 14 years old too.
Since
13. But now it's 12, 14. Go for DCAA this year.
Balag.
all high school.
Yeah. Your batch is good in badminton. You will take on and so to the next one. After Jasper, there's graduate na, no more, di ba?
Other school na.
No, you will represent TUI. Are you going to study TUI pa? TUI, di ba? Ay, no more? You're going to study in TUI pa? No.
But next year, after KJ.
You? What?
My brother graduated na.
You go to Manila.
Ano
Oh.
na ko lang, Maria?
Hello GP, sabi mo sana
Maria.
PG.
Nice! Ay!
Oh, Bornok Ismail is here. Bornok. Hello, what's your name? Bornok? Carlo? Kala ko Bornok. Kamukha mo yung kasama namin. Kala ko yung Carlo. Carlo pala to, dito si Bornok. Sabi niyo si Bornok.
How
Benny
many
yun, Benny.
sessions did you have for Coach Rob?
Like all?
Training
Bornok.
session? 4 times? 3 times?
Lumay, kinita mo kami malang tara.
Maybe you have a powerful smash now. I'm just afraid of your smash.
I forgot how to.
Yan, that's it.
And so said your smash is power.
That's last time now.
Hmm?
Yeah, I forgot how to smash. I only know how to drop.
Drop. Yeah. Yeah, go.
Hey, you want to single? Single? Single, you want? Single? Down now. You want?
Yeah, get your racket.
5 minutes only.
5 minutes, go. Oh, they're done. Sino panalo? Kayo? Ah, congrats. Okay. Medyo mo para kuha na. Bawal. Banget, baru lah.
Medium large.
Hi, Google.
On. Hawakan mo nga. Yeah, buha mo sila.
Eh. Paano niyo po nagpapanood? It's so bendy. Guy, ano photo bomber ko? Sabi ko na.
Yan. Si Mingay magsisit dyan.
Never pa ako nakahampak ito. First time, mayayang. Ay, Kuya Brel. No? Mayayang. Of course. Hawakan ko dito, masakit yung kamay.
Hirap ba? Pite?
Hindi, huwag ganyan, tamaan o, ganyan. Nangangawit po. Huwag kasi dyan eh, magalaw dyan. Nangangawit na po ako. Pwede po yung ilalagay lang.
Pwede.
Ay, sige. Ilagay mo dito! Galit ka, Ting. Dapat sa taas ko.
Nakita mo, pinakita ko mali.
Okay na. Yay! Okay na yan, okay na yan. Magkano na yan. Uy, namatay. It's 2 minutes now.
Hawa pa rin sila.
Hindi pala ako nakawit mo eh. Score! Okay, baka tayo maging American na.
Hindi pa kaya.
Ito, Jong!
Physical ko na yan, sir.
Kaya yun, no? Wala ito naman to.
Yeah? Oh, what are you doing dyan? Uy, kalma, hindi yun. Gusto na yung tubig. Sabi mo, tub lang eh.
Ang dami na niso.
Kami na pa.
2 step lang, tapos na. Oh, wala na yan namin. Ba? Hindi ka nakikita, te. Oo, nakikita ka na. Yan na. Yan na.
Kaya. Tapos na.
Ay, how do you turn off this?
Ganito. Ah.
Alas 3.
Ayan, galingan mo. Rematch yan, rematch.
Did and go.
belongs to Kuya Jonard. It's good.
Nice
R1.
one.
It's very good. You should play him.
Last time I already played him.
Or you should play Karen. I'll bet my cards to Karen.
Card?
Yeah. We'll give +5. We'll give you +5 to Karen.
You give me your credit card.
Ah, credit card, no. You should try to follow with Karen. She's good. I think she can beat Jillian. Enzo cannot win.
Dylan is not playing. He's not playing.
He's playing. Ay, she's in Cebu yata. Out.
Anthony China yung coach niya. It's so expensive.
Oh?
22,000 almost 1K or like then like 11K or 22,000
11,000 pesos or yuan.
pesos.
Hina pa si Enzo, no? Mahina. Still weak? That drop.
He's so tall.
Yeah.
How long did he end up
She's fifth session.
like
Here?
like total like how long did he play badminton?
1 year.
1 year?
Di ba grade 5? He played but played only. Then grade 6, BCAA without proper training.
But then I'm the same
Now you're the same because you're classmates. Di ba? Your first is in Urdaneta?
my first one is in BCAA.
BCAA, then Urdaneta, we see each other there, di ba? In Cambato, of Coach Alex. And so, playing now, he wants to improve. I let him out of his comfort zone in Lingayen.
I can't training anymore 2 times in a day. My mom, my dad and my brother go to China.
When will they come back?
If they come back, I can training all day.
Too much whole day.
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Benny.
Nakapanosbib.
Papayag ka na din. For sure.
Kaya.
Malaman mo ngayon. Puro adaral-daral lang pa nag-intake siya.
Eli, what are you getting? You're too fat kasi. Look.
Nalaro ka na, dapat.
Score, Aya.
Masigang laya. Wala pa bigay. Wala pa. pa tapos tayo. Siguro kayo namin. Hindi, magsisigil pa kayo ng video.
Binabi mo. Talo. What's your score? 40.
Wala lang, magkaroon ka na natin yun. Nahilo ka no? Nahilo ka pag dalawa sila no? Mabilis kasi pag dalawa kalaban mo. Hindi, yung dito kasi para mawala yung ano mo, paa. Pero pag singles na alam mo na yan.
2-0.
Palong-palo!
Tak. Out. 2-1. 1-2. Kaya.
Palong-palo si Patrick!
Hi. Out. 4-2. Late. Five, 3.
Yes, baba mo? May lasing ka pa.
6-3. Ay, 5-4.
Pa. Ayaw mo na? Labas na. Labas na. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Relax saya.
Medyo wide.
Yeah!
Nice.
Game! Game!
Punong-puno.
Sana all shopping.
All na ya.
Hoy, magtato yung bayar to. Angat kami yung bayar to.
Focus, relax. Russell mo. Sige, thank you ha. Thank you. Out. No, I can do it.
Dalang beses? Tutan? Ano daw? Kulang daw. May laro pa siya. Kinuha niyo muna.
Oh, kamu na atras. Wala, wala. Oh yeah, focus.
Tutubusan nila. Tutubusan nila. Kaya malinis.
Ay, sayang yung chance. Give it all na. Taas. Sakit na yung mata mo. Napulay kasi. Royal last push. Stamina. Hard block. Continuation na lobat sa GoPro. Pagod na si Enzo. Oh, habol. Position. Tak. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Nice. Kahabol. Tak. Nice. Goya. All. Game ball. Nice game.